So, you have come to me with a very important, heavy-hitting question. Why is your beard so patchy? Well, if you're going to be asking the heavy-hitting questions, we're going to have to hit you with some heavy truths. So, buckle up, adventurers. We're going to be answering the question today. Why is my beard so patchy?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
So with a question like this on wondering why your beard is so patchy, we're going to be talking about a couple of things that are, well, unfortunate and things that are out of your control. Luckily, there are some things that are in your control, so there is light at the end of this proverbial tunnel. So first off, let's get one of these things out of the way, genetics. So if you just come from a family that does not have good facial hair growth, thick, and they might also be patchy, then you're probably not going to have a very thick beard. You're probably going to have a lot of patchy areas. It's just how it is. It's out of your hands, and you need to be okay with that. It's important to understand that not all beards are going to grow exactly the same. And, that's what makes your beard unique, and that's kind of exciting for a lot of people. It's completely normal. And I think we need to start talking about that. I think we need to start normalizing different kinds of beards out there. So don't be too hard on yourself if yours doesn't look like somebody who has a very thick beard. It's completely normal. The next hard-hitting topic is going to be hormonal imbalances. So you might not have a lot of testosterone. And you know what? That's just how it is. Can we control that? Not a whole lot. There are things that we can do to affect it, and we're going to talk about some of that in a moment. But you need to come to grips to the fact that your body just does not naturally produce as much testosterone as other people. And that's okay. I know that I don't. I have patchy cheeks. I get some patchy areas for my facial hair, and that's fine. I know I have plenty testosterone. I'm confident in the kind of guy that I am. But do I wish that I had a thicker beard? Do I wish that I didn't have as much patchy areas? Absolutely. So there are things that I can do to affect that. One of those things is I can talk to a doctor. I know that's kind of jumping the gun a little bit, but they are the professionals. If you talk to a nutritionist, they are going to be the ones to tell you what you should be eating. And that actually brings us to our next point. Do you have a poor intake, a poor diet plan? Well, that might be greatly affecting your facial hair growth. If you don't have a good balance of vitamin A, B, C, D, E, zinc, and proteins, and all of the other minerals that are important for your body, you might not have a very good chance of growing a strong beard. So you might have a couple of patchy areas, whether it's your cheeks, whether it's underneath here, maybe it's underneath your neck, maybe it's your just whole mustache in general. You need to know what is going in your body in order for your body to produce what's good. So as you're taking in proper minerals and nutrients and all of that, also consider having a steady exercise routine. A strong routine, a consistent one, can also lead to proper blood flow throughout the entire body, and one of those areas will be your face. So the blood flow will go to the follicles of your hair, and that can help produce stronger, fuller, healthier hairs for your beard. Next up, we've got stress. Yes, we all feel stress. That's just a part of life. Whether it's your job or your family or whatever it may be, stress will greatly affect you. And unfortunately, stress can also affect your facial hair growth. There are ways that we can maintain it. And although some of you might disagree with the activities that I'm going to say, they have been proven to work. Some of these options are meditation, doing yoga, and overall, exercising. I know that a lot of us men enjoy to exercise, but we should also consider things like meditation and yoga. Stress can manifest in so many different ways. But there are ways, in different ways, that we can maintain it. Next up, and last, is going to be having a good grooming cycle. Are you using proper products? Are you using the good oils, balms, butters, and even co-wash and beard wash? If you don't have a good rinse cycle every morning with your shower routine or morning routine with your facial hair, then you're not really allowing your facial hair to grow to its fullest potential. A clean beard will grow better. So if you are cleaning all the areas that might not be growing the best, then there's a good chance that it'll just grow a bit stronger. Not a whole lot. Don't think that it's going to be magic and just, puff right out. But no, but it can promote a little bit of stronger beard growth. So in conclusion, how do you get rid of a patchy beard? How do you fix a patchy beard? Well, there's a lot of things that you can do. You just have to be patient. You have to try a lot of different things. Know what you're eating. Know what activities that you are doing that can be healthy for you and your facial hair. If this video is helpful to you, please consider liking and commenting down below anything that you do to promote good facial hair growth. Do you have a patchy beard? And if you do you follow some of the things that we've talked about, or are you okay with trimming things away? I know that I recently decided to start styling my beard a little bit differently. So some of the areas on the sides, I decided to trim down shorter, and I'm okay with that. I know that my wife likes the look a whole lot more, and I have, believe it or not, a whole lot more confidence in my look. And so there's nothing wrong with changing the look. But if you want to try to get past the patchiness, you can. If you have not yet, please consider subscribing to our channel. We always appreciate the things that you guys do for our community, the sharing that you do, the advice and information. It's such an amazing community to be a part of, and we really appreciate all that you do. So as we always say here at the end of these videos, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.